Hey y'all, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we are having a family day outing. I don't know, it's supposed to be going up. Let's go up. Okay. It is hot out here, guys. It is so hot. Alright, so I'm gonna pass y'all to Kamaya. She gonna be doing a vlogging while we're at the aquarium today, y'all. So, yeah. What's this baby voice she got going on, y'all? To myself, hi everyone. Okay, go on up there. Go on up there, Maya. Turn. Turn.
could rock with, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna make you. That's how these summer do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? 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 Feel me, babe. I don't just wanna chill with you.
team of trainers that come in at 6 a.m. every morning to sort through hundreds of pounds of frozen fish because each of our dolphins gets their own personally made diet. Now we can also use other things to reinforce our dolphins, and these would be called secondary reinforcers. These are things that our dolphins have learned to enjoy throughout their lifetime. This could be things like ice, sugarless and flavorless jello, or even toys, or getting into the water with some of their favorite trainers. Now when it comes to training our dolphins, we will use something called successive approximations, which is just a fancy word for baby steps. So the first behavior that we would teach any of our dolphins is something known as targeting. Now to target simply means to touch, so we will train our dolphins to target or touch their rostrum to our hands, just as you see Kay doing over on my right. Now we can also transfer this behavior onto something called a target pole, which is a PVC pipe with a buoy on the end. You'll see Trainer Josephine has one of these target poles over on your side of the habitat. Now Kay is going to be joining Josephine over at the glass, and they're going to demonstrate how we can use this targeting behavior to shape or train other behaviors. So wherever Josephine moves this target pole, Kay should follow with his rostrum. So if she wanted to teach him to do something that looks like a head shake yes, all she has to do is move that target pole in an up and down motion. Similarly, if we want Kay to look like he's shaking his head no instead, all Josephine has to do is move that target pole side to side. Now we can take this one step further and incorporate full body movements. So if Josephine were to turn that target pole in a full circle, Kay should follow and show off his best dance moves. Well done, Kay and Josephine! This is a behavior that Salvador is going to be demonstrating for all of us today. So he's going to go across the entire perimeter of the pool. He's going to do this until he hears a whistle from Trainer Sophie. This is something we call a bridge, and it tells Salvador that yes, that's exactly what we were looking for. Now you can come on back to stage and we'll give you some of them. Well done, Sophie and Salvador. Let's have a round of applause for Katie. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this relationship building session. Sessions like the one you just got to witness are just one of the many different types of sessions that we can have with our dolphins throughout the day to make sure that every day is fun and different for them. We can also have training sessions where we can teach athleticism of these amazing bottlenose dolphins.
Those are red. Those are pink. Each one is feather. Oh, you got them?